She joins me this evening to talk about her work carrying out the functions, part of the functions of the Office of the Political Ombudsman as she dovetails with the body of the ECJ, who ultimately have a decision-making power. Good evening. Welcome to Lead Story.
Good evening. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. All right. First of all, how long have you been with the ECJ and in what capacity?
I have been with the ECJ since 2016 as the Registrar of Political Parties, where I am responsible for monitoring political parties' compliance to include registration and their compliance with the requirements of financial reporting and campaign financing. Most recently, my role has been extended or expanded to include coordination of functions within the Political Ombudsman Division, wherein I act as a liaison between the public and the Political Ombudsman, which is comprised of the 9 members of the Electoral Commission.